So hi everyone. Today we're talking about Llama-index. It is also a framework that utilizes LLMs for building applications similar to langchain that I've already explained in previous videos. Now, how Llama-index is different from langchain because Llama-index major focus is towards implementing RAG, that is retrieval augment generation, that is used for extending external context to the LLM. So like question answering to your CSVs, question answering to your PDFs, question answering from videos. Llama-index specializes in that, as compared to LangChain, which is more of a which provides a broader use cases. But Llama-index can be taken as superior to LangChain when it comes to RAG because of its faster retrieval. So if you're building an app that involves RAG, like have external resources, external context, Llama-index can be a first preference over LangChain. So let's get started here. What we I would be doing is that I'm appending one of my files called as how to become an NLP engineer, which is a text file, and eventually I will do a question answer system through it. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to pip install llama-index, as you can see. Then you need to import vector store index and simple directory reader. So I have already explained what RAG is in my previous videos. What are the different components of RAG? So you can refer to that video how RAG works. So these are different components of RAG where we are trying to get a vector DB and a document loader. So first of all, you need to set up your OpenAI API key as well in your environment variable. As you here, you can see that. Next, data is a basically a folder in which my file is residing. So you can have multiple files also in the same folder, and all the files will be loaded as external context. So data is a folder; it is not a file. So inside this folder, I have a single file called as a how to become an NLP engineer.txt. Now using this simple directory reader, I'm mentioning a directory and loading all the documents and then vector indexing it. So I'm storing it as embeddings in the vector document in my vector DB. So I've already covered what are vector DBs, how they work in my previous videos. You can cover that. So using this index object that has been created for vector DB, I'm creating a query engine and then asking questions about the document that I've uploaded. What should I do to become an NLP engineer? Give a short point-wise answer. So here you can see that the LLM is able to get fetch context from the text file and giving an answer which is correct. Now eventually you can mention which LLM you want to use in service context, which is external, which I'm not discussing in this particular tutorial. It's a basic one. Now if you wish to build out a chat engine, so rather than just a single question, you want to have multiple questions, you want to have a conversation. So instead of building a query engine, you can build a chat engine, as you can see that. So the first question in the chat is what to do to become an NLP engineer? Give a short answer. Oh, interesting. Tell me more. So here you can see that the two answers are how the LM is responding to it. To become an NLP, you should then all the points, and the second response is also coming out. What are the extra things that you need to do? So here this is a very short introduction to Llama-index, how Llama-index can be useful for implementing RAG. It is super easy as LangChain, and you must give it a try. Thank you.